welcome back. And for those of a nervous disposition, turn your sound down now. To celebrate this project being made for a fellow horseman's lady, I have included an edited soundtrack from one of our rare live streams. Enjoy!
Eco Scrapper. Ian apparently has not had enough to drink just yet.
Speech Andy, have I been drinking? No. Look, listen, I promised I would only go down to the label.
The bottom of the label.
Still far away.
I weren't quite specific on that.
Ian doesn't drink anymore. That in the same way he doesn't scrap anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on. We do have someone in the house. Mad Max. Not Mad Max. He was the guy. He was an Australian guy. Mad Max bucket list. Hello, Mad Max. Matt. Hello, Matt.
No, he didn't, but he did say, that's not a knife, this is a knife, he's the best Australian.
That was crocodile Dundee.
Patach.
That was great.
Whoa, what?
That just cleared my throat.
Furries were special tails. I can let you guess how they are attached.
Oh, is it with a pin? Is it with a stick?
I tell you what, Ian. Now she's thinking the right way.
She's just stoking the fire, isn't she?
Hey, I'm back. I mentioned plugs. What size?
Oh. If you go,
No way! He did it again! Well, we can watch the replay. Hold on. Awesome. Oh my god.
I'm okay.
I was just about to ask.
It's a night to you, big friend.
Quick, someone call Kathy.
And she's not gonna believe you if you call her and say, "Oh, quickly, you have to go to the shed to Ian." No, I know what he wants. Come on, Ian. Are you okay? Get up.
Not those things.
I really hope I never get to that stage in my life that when I fall down, I can't get up anymore.
He's like a turtle on his back, like that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
drink up tree that we're leaving.
Well, wait till you get to your 60s.
Ian, camera's over here, mate.
We're over here, dude.
We have got some blood.
Oh wow. He managed to do it again.
Right, where was we up to?
I found traces of blood in Ian's alcohol.
That looked like 5-pin plug.
Yeah.
Dang, Ian. Really?
That's a, a two-hander.
At least 32 amperes, buddy.
It's the handle of a lightsaber.
Guess why he disappeared from the camera?
Probably to get a bandage.
No, it's probably taken half of Lancashire down.
Or maybe when he fell down, he pooped
Oh,
his
shut
pants.
up, guys! I'm in the charge. I'm in the left corner. Come on,
All right.
bro.
Yes.
Hold on.
Okay, I've a question to ask you guys.
There you guys.
Did I have my glasses on before I fell over?
It means it's not lost,
Gone
right?
to Specsavers.
No, he's just wondering why he can't see nothing.
Hey, Ian, why didn't bandage it?
It's easy to just lick it,
Yeah.
That's why the expression like your wounds
Why
come
did you
from.
Yeah, Ian. Lick it up. Don't waste any alcohol.
I'm glad that was caught on.
Anyway, that's
we might have to replay that.
Ian, buddy, I just actually scream on Ralph. I scream on everyone else in the chat while you are gone, and you come back without even tiny little plaster on yourself. Really?
Nah, yeah, it's just a bit of,
Yeah,
You put me on the back light. Really bad light.
He's a Lancashire lad, you know. Don't have to worry about that.
Thanks, Huey. You know, it's you know, what's a tiny little bit of flesh? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yellow
It'll
rib.
grow back.
Look at that! Oh, that looks painful.
Ian, I've got a new angle for you. When you go in the house, go, Kathy, oh, Kathy, look what I've done. Now can I have a blowjob?
Well, Ian, and if you say no, just ask, what about teabagging?
Back to this subject again.
I've got this
Awesome.
lovely plug.
That's a handful, isn't it? I know. I'm sorry. I'm feeling a little bit delicate at the moment.
A bit battered.
No. Come on. What you mean is you feel challenged at the moment.
Guido, what it is he feels like he's been 5 rounds with Mike Tyson, battered around the ring.
I've shed blood for this stream.
Oh.
You put your blood, sweat, and tears into this channel.
Yeah, Huey, you know, I don't trust Guido, but I trust you. Did it actually catch me toppling over?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Caught you toppling over, but it also caught an absolute corker of a...
Exactly, yeah.
You know, I can say even more. Some of us, we even just hit that button to, you know, record or catch the stream. And just a little bit
This guy is
of
asking, what's the sharpest tool in Ian's shed? His wife.
sharpest tools in the Ian shed. That's gonna be like tiny.
Really tiny.
Tiny
No.
screwdriver.
No.
Okay.
No way.
Well, sometime last year it might have been me.
Okay.
His brick hammer, that's probably the sharpest thing in his shed. It's certainly sharper than his chisels that he uses to pop rivets out.
Hang on. They're the finest,
Yeah. There are people in Sheffield rolling around in their graves that created those chisels just for you to chisel off some rivets with them. Now, I'm no wood butcher, but at the end of the day, even that made me cringe, Ian. Cringe, I did.
I'm glad I didn't show you the video this morning then. I was using a Sorby chisel as a crowbar.
No, Ian,
As a crowbar.
Ian, is this live stream going any 5 minutes further?
Well, he's just put another link out for the chat.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
I can get myself another coffee.
That's what I just gonna say. How he gonna end up the stream and he put the link out? Ian,
Yeah,
what's wrong with you, sir?
Well, it's not quite tomorrow yet.
it's not quite midnight yet, yeah. He's
Okay,
not going to
so-
turn into a pumpkin.
Why are you talking about the ending the stream? You gonna get rid of me?
Get a coffee, Guido. Get a coffee.
Is that the
Could be a good
thing?
one.
Okay,
I get
okay.
coffee.
I'm going to answer
You get a
this. I'm
coffee.
going to answer this. I'm a little shook up after my little fall and being trapped within a tiny gap.
It was a massive gap, but have you ever seen a turtle on its belly? Turtle on its back with its belly in the air like that.
Gamefly.
That's not a plug. This.
Look, the thing is, you should always have a four-legged stool. It's usually a glass.
Oh, here's a sophisticated guy.
Oh, yes. Look at the head on that.
Oh, look at the way, Eve.
Yeah.
You know, a gentleman only flicks 3 times.
More than 3 shakes is, yeah.
Probably tastes like swamp water.
No.
Florida swamps.
Over here we have Scrumpy that's got rat's tails in it. Over there it's got alligator tails.
Yeah,
We got
some-
iguana.
who wants to go to Raphael's
Yeah,
eye?
he's okay, please, mate.
What do you mean, Ian's stool? There's no blood in this stool.
There will be after that butt plug.
He could be peeing blood after he fell down.
Oh, here's some more blood. I just nicked my thumb here on
Oh.
something. So there's a tiny bit. Oh,
You call that a nick? Look at that. I've had a dump.
That's not a nick. This is a nick. Crocodile done, Ian.
Oh. I'm not going live again ever.
like you're not going to drink again ever.
Yeah.
Like you're not scrapping again ever.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to drink and I'm going to scrap, but I'm just not going to do it on camera.
Formerly known as Ian, the man in the shed. So, what can we expect from your first project then, Ian?
A metal butt plug.
Thank you, Ralph.
I just thought of a new casting project actually. Won't be a video.
Hey, Ian, please show us your fingers of your left hand, please. The left hand, no, the other
That's
one.
the right.
The other one. The other
The
one.
other left hand. Yeah. moving swiftly along.
Yeah, moving swiftly along.
I'm not even looking at how many people's watching. We're just. Go on.
The viewers are dropping like flies.
25.
See, we've only got 24 watching now. See, there we
Well,
go.
they're not expecting you to fall off the chair again, are they? They think
No.
that was it. They think you peaked at that point. Ian, have you still got the Dyson bucket next to you?
Is that one of the moons around Uranus?
What is it time for, Guido?
For the chopper, man, for the
It's
chopper.
time for the chopper.
Time for the chopper.
I told you he did the piss bucket challenge and knocked it over. Anyway, Ian, I found out today that Grandpa is addicted to Viagra. No one is taking it harder than Grandma.